AutoGPT is dominating GitHub right now. It's an open source project built on GPT-4 where you can set some goals, for example, build an app or a website, and it will automatically execute tasks that achieve your goals. Let me show you how this alien technology works. For this example, I want to create an AI that can give me the latest news updates. So here I wanted to browse Google News, pick out the 5 most recent news, summarize them into 50 words each, compile the summaries into a text file, and then shut down upon achieving its goals. And AutoGPT will automatically do everything for you. And yeah, you just sit back and relax. And sometimes AutoGPT will ask you for confirmation on its actions, which is really cool because it provides you the reasoning for its actions and some criticism for you to consider. This is so crazy. Look at, it's doing all this by itself. Oh wow, what's happening? Something's happening. It's all happening by itself. Oh, cool, it just wrote the summaries and now I'm just going to let it shut down. The output, it should be now stored in the outputs folder here and, oh, look at this. Oh, yo, it did it. Whoa, that is so cool. That was just one very simple example, but as you can see, AutoGPT can help you build programs, apps, websites within a few minutes with minimal effort. Wow! It's like ChatGPT, but instead of instructing it step by step, you just give it one prompt and it'll just do everything by itself. Check out AutoGPT on GitHub where you can find instructions on how to install.